923.
Purcell 105 below ground.
We got permission from OCC to land north end and assist with this crash if needed. Where is the crash?
It's on runway 23, right at threshold, right at this intersection there, 23 and 15 left.
Okay, we got it in sight. Can you tell us what type of aircraft it was?
Yeah, it was an RG9.
Roger.
Like 1 minute back, just so you are, there's people outside walking around the aircraft there.
Yeah, we've got it. The aircraft is upside down and burning.